Hello, everybody. Welcome to Let You Academy. Today, we're doing a very interesting topic known as Numbers and Numeration. This is the first topic that is taught in the 7th grade, which is the first class in secondary school. I believe this topic is the foundation for mathematics education in secondary school. That's why I'm starting with this topic. I believe that I can make this topic understood by everyone. Please watch till the end and make sure you drop your questions in the comment section below.
You know, I promised a dry joke for every session of learning. This is the dry joke I have for this session of learning. Why was 6 scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. If you want to hear more dry jokes like this, make sure you subscribe to Let You Academy for more videos and more dry jokes.
Without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Numbers and numeration. Place value of digits in numbers. Let us begin. The first place value we'll be looking at is the units, which has a place value of 1. The next is the tens, which has a place value of 10, obviously. Sorry, let me divide the page into 2. Sorry for my line. Well, the next is the hundreds, which has a place value of 100. The next is the thousands, which has a place value of 1,000. Notice I'm using a space when I've written 3 digits. I'm not using a comma because some countries use comma as a decimal point, and I don't want to confuse our international viewers. The next is the tens of thousands, which has a place value of 10,000. The next is the hundreds of thousand, which has a place value of 100,000. The next is a million, or millions rather, which has a place value of 1,000,000. The next is 10 million, which has tens of million rather. Let me quickly erase the mistakes. Tens of millions, which has a place value of 10 million. The next is hundreds of millions, which has a place value of 100 million. The next is billion, which has a place value of 1 billion. The next is tens of billion, which has tens of billions, which has a place value of 10 billion. The next is hundreds of billions, which has a place value of 100 billion. The next is a trillion, or trillions, which has a place value of 1 trillion. The names of place values of digits. If you want me to proceed, that is, higher than trillions, just tell me in the comment section below, because there are, of course, larger numbers than trillions. You know, we have infinite numbers in the world, but let's not get into that. Maybe in subsequent videos I'll do a video on that. I believe that this part is easy for most of us, but even if it isn't easy, I hope I've explained it properly. But let's go over it for 1 minute. The first one, let me use my laser pointer. The first one is units, and it has a place value of 1. The next is tens, and it has a place value of 10. The next is hundreds, and it has a place value of 100. The next is thousands. It has a place value of thousands, of 1,000. The next is tens of thousands. Has a place value of 10,000. The next is hundreds of thousands. It has a place value of 100,000. The next is millions. It has a place value of 1,000,000. The next is tens of millions. It has a place value of 10 million. Note, we have to be careful here because this is where many students miss it, from millions upwards. The next is hundreds of millions. It has a place value of 100 million. And notice these zeros that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has to increase by 1. The next is billions. It has a place value of 1 billion. That is, and let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is tens of billions. It has a place value of 10 billion. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is hundreds of billions. It has a place value of 100 billion. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 10. This is 11. The next is trillions. It has a place value of 1 trillion. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The trillions have 12 zeros but 13 digits. A trillion. This is very easy, but there's some things you have to note. Let me write the symbols of all these for you. Okay. The symbol of unit is U. The symbol of tens is T. The symbol of hundred is H. The symbol of thousands is T with a little letter or small letter H. The symbol of tens of thousands is T dot TH. The symbol of hundreds of thousands is H dot TH. The symbol of millions is M. The symbol of tens of millions is T dot M. The symbol of hundreds of millions is H dot M. The symbol of billions is B. The symbol of tens of billions is T dot B. The symbol of hundreds of billions is H dot B. And lastly, the symbol of trillions is TR. Okay? Let us proceed. This is not the hardest aspect of this topic. If I have a question which says, okay, question mark because it's a question. Note, I underlined place value of digits in numbers, but I did not underline numbers and numeration because this was written in capital letters. It's not like it's a strict rule, but it's just something to note. And I ended this question with a question mark, not a full stop, because it is a question. It is. Sorry, I had to digress. We have to teach English because many students struggle with mathematics and English. Let me highlight with a highlighter. Okay, what is the place value of 1 in the number 2.531? Okay, let's speed it up a bit. Examples. Okay, so we know that 2 is units, which will be written as 2 units. Sorry about that. Which will be written as 2 units. We know that 5, which comes after the decimal point, this is where many students don't know what to do. When it comes after the decimal point, you go tenths, which will be written as 5 tenths, 5 tenths. We know the next one is 3, which will be written as, which is hundredths, which will be written as 300. We know the next one is 1, which will be written as thousandths, which will be written as 1,000th, 1,000, because it's 1. So this is the answer. Let me highlight it. This is the answer to that question. Okay, so we can proceed to another example, I believe. I hope this is understood. Question 2. If I say, write, how will you go about this question? First of all, you write the numbers that is first stated in the question. Here they said 401,000. 401,000, not 400. 401,000. So you should know that it's going to be 400,000 plus 1,000. And then 90 plus 90 plus 8. Please, I'm begging of you guys, don't mix up 400,000 with 400. I know you might say, oh, 400, 1,000. You may separate it, but they said 400 and 1,000. So it's going to be together. 400 and 1,000. 400 and 1,000. I hope that is clear. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. Remember, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, t.th, hundreds of thousands. So the answer is 401,098. This is it. Let's proceed to the next question. I'm going to teach you guys how to write numbers in words. Write 607,628,355 in words. How will we go about this question? You first of all start from the first digit that you see. You write the digit out again. Then you start unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, tens of thousand, t.th, hundreds of thousand, h.th, million, tens of million, hundreds of million. Then you begin. 607,000,000. So you have to write it out and state it individually, the place values, so that you can know how to write it in words. 607 million, comma, 628,355. And notice I didn't write 50. I wrote 50. I used to make this mistake a lot when I was in high school. So I learned that it is 50, not 50. 50, not 50. I have to teach you guys the right way of writing 50. That's just a note. So let us proceed to the next question. I think this will be a very tricky question, but I believe we can solve it. Okay? Let us proceed. Let us begin. Find the difference between 8,456,000 and 5,009,007. First of all, we write 8 million in digits. 8,456,000. 8,456,000. The first number called is 8 million. So write 8 million first. The next one is 400, not 400,000 again. 456. 56. Or should I say 56. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 0, 0, 0, 8. You can just bring it down directly, since there's no other number. This is units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, t.th, hundreds of thousands, h.th, and million. So this is the number, 8,456,000. This is it. In the next step, we'll write the next number. 5 million, of course 5 million, put in words. 9,007. See how easy it is? 0 plus 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. I told you can just bring it down. 0 plus 0, bring it down. 5. So this is going to be 5,009,007. The next thing to do is to find the difference. Find the difference. Difference equals subtraction. Difference equals subtraction. So we're going to subtract these two numbers. I hope you don't have any problem with addition and subtraction, but if there is a problem with addition and subtraction, please just tell me so that I can make videos on these topics. 6 subtracted by 7 is not possible, so we take 1 from 5, which is going to be 4. Add 1 to 16. 1 plus 16, like you're combining two of them together. It's going to be 16. 16 subtracted by 7 is going to be 9. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 9 is not possible. So we're going to take 8. Going to borrow 1 from 8, which is 7. Take 1 to the next 0, which is going to be 10. But we can't subtract 0 from 9. So we're going to borrow 1 from this one, which is going to be 9. And then take it to this next 0. But we can't subtract 0 from 9 still. So we're going to borrow 1 from this one, which is going to be 9. Then take 1 to this 0. And luckily we can. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the answer is 2,991,449. I hope that is understood. Okay, let me give you a take-home assignment, please give me the answers in the comment section below. Question 5. But this is for you to take. What is the error if a boy wrote 2001 instead of 20,001? Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Leave your answer in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.